I'm sorry. But look at the look at the. I think that we can wipe that off. It'll be fine. I think it's gonna be fine. That is. We'll figure it out. I love you. I love you, Mama.
I love you too.
I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry, Mama. I'm sorry, baby.
We've lost everything. Everything. And I don't have anywhere to put my kitties. I feel so pressured right now. I feel so pressured.
We're gonna be fine, Mama. God's gonna help us. People gonna help us. Cause the government sure ain't helping us.
No.
It's terrible, man. It's terrible.
This insurance man's awesome for even coming and looking at the place. It's so bad.
Jesus, there's mold everywhere. Everything's gonna have to be taken down, man, because
It's
mold
gone
is
all the way
upstairs. It's
upstairs.
up the stairs, so I don't know what's gonna happen. I can't walk in there because if I smell this stuff, I'm in trouble. So he's gonna have to go in there and make a determination, because I don't think we can go in there, man. This tree broke off from right there and right there.
We told them to cut it.
And we told him to cut it, and right there and right there. So all of that is what I wanted to have removed anyway. So thank you, Hurricane Irma, because we wanted to put our telescope right here in the back and shoot right up there. So now we got all this space, but we just have no home. And I'm sure the telescope's ruined in the garage. Yeah, that was a lot of money, but hey, you know.
Our scooters are
Our
everything.
scooters. We always use the putt-putt. You know, we love putt-putting. It saves on gas, you know. Or a couple dollars. But anyway. But this is a brand new air conditioning unit. But it was actually, the level was exactly the same height of our deck. So it was already inside the bottom of that. But I don't know. There's no way we can use it now. But it worked great when we had it. Our yard is a mess. It really is. It's just a mess. I think I got a head. It's so bad in there, you gotta suit up.
I can't see up. I got it.
We can come back later. We can come back later. See, he's good. Man. Yeah, you can't even go. You can't even go inside there, man. See? Can't even go in there, man. It's not worth it. Yeah.
God, it stinks so bad.
Yeah, it does. Hey, the clock is still there. No one came in here. No one stalled in here. Look at that. That's all mold, man.
Man, it's so thick.
Mm. It's like serious growth. I don't even want to bother it, because just one spore of that stuff can ruin your day. Ex-lab tech here. Ex-United States Army lab tech. I can tell you, I used to grow this shit for a living. Did it go up there, do you know?
What, the mold?
Yeah.
You got mold all the way on the handrail up here.
What? That's crazy. It's all on the steps. It's terrible. It's
I should
terrible.
open the front door.
No, why not? Hey, there is a light in the kitchen. Yeah. This is terrible. You can't even see it.
So much for bringing my pets back home.
I bet you the pictures got shit all over. Oh man, those are nice pictures too.
Yeah, those were all my mom and dad.
That furniture was made in Italy.
I've got some masks. You guys don't come in here.
Yeah.
I've
yeah.
got some masks on the back.
Okay, we've put our wear your sunglasses too, cause that stuff.
This house is
The house has got to be condemned, man, because it's just
one big mold thing.
one big mold fest. All mud. The guy said, "Don't even stand in the doorway." Then it smells wretched right here. North, yeah. You should stay over here, man. The airflow is. Yeah, because it'll get in your hair, get in anywhere. Yeah, keep it covered, keep it covered, keep it covered.
We need to take those.
Yeah, that's okay. We don't need to take it now. I ain't got nowhere to put nothing. Right? I didn't even get to open the garage. I had it sealed from